Well, hello. My name is Daddy-O. Has Uber done away with cherry picking? Have they said you can't do it no more? Have they put such things against you where you can't actually cherry pick and make money anymore? A little bit ago, I'm going to talk about this a little bit. A little bit ago, in my feed, all of a sudden a video come up talking about the same question. Has Uber put an end to cherry picking? I want to tell you how I do it. It may help you. I don't know. I have strict opinions on cherry picking, and it's easy to do if you paying attention. And I've explained it in some videos before, but when I saw the video on the feed pop up a while ago about cherry picking, and that when I watched, I only could watch, literally, I don't watch a lot of other channels about Uber. Uh, I've gotten into them a few times and watched the first parts of them. I'm fixing to start leaving comments if I watch them very long, and I don't want to do that, okay? I'm not going to start blasting someone else for their opinion, all right? I have strict opinions on how I do things because it works. I've tried to explain on this channel before. There are certain things that I do that has worked, and it works, okay? And cherry picking is one of them. It is really the big one. That's it. Look, also, so we can get into this a little further. If you're a real driver, if you're a driver that considers yourself a full-time professional Uber driver, and that's how you make your living, you go out and make money doing Uber, you may want to check the membership section on this channel, all right? I put videos in the membership section here that I will not talk about on here, all right? I'm not going to put it out to the masses, some of the stuff, all right? So if you're interested in the membership section, we get into details and stuff that is how to take Uber another way. But anyway, cherry picking is the big thing, though. All right, I do it because that's the backbone of my strategy in a lot of ways. Now, here, if you're new to Uber, here's one of the things you want to do right away: download the Riders app. Download the Riders app for Uber, all right? Just like you're going to call for a ride, you need a ride, and you need to ride with Uber, all right? On the Riders app, it tells you, it lets you know when you bring it up to get a ride, pretty much how many Ubers in your area that are active online right now, unless you're on a run. If they're on a run, they're not going to show up on there, but it gives you a general idea of how many Ubers are in the area that you want to work, all right? And I've explained about your own zones, create your own zones before, stay in those zones, don't let Uber take you away, all right? First thing I do every morning before I ever sign on to Uber is I check the Riders app. I want to know how many are in my area, what day of the week it is, how many are in my area. I know because I've worked this area for so long. I know pretty much on a weekly basis what's going on in my area. I can turn the Rider app on and see, okay, all of them are in this location. I'm not going to that location. I'm going to get myself on the outer boundaries of that location between them and some good stuff. All right. That's the way you do it. But you need to pay attention, and you can cherry pick all day long. I do it every day, all day long. I don't take every run. My acceptance rate, and I've done videos on the acceptance rate before. Don't worry about your acceptance rate. Just do the runs that are going to pay you enough to move, to go somewhere. I look at it on another level also. When I'm accepting runs, I'm looking at where that run is going to, or where is it coming from. There are certain areas I know that I can work a tip. All right, I've talked about my tip angles before. You can work, if you pay attention, you can work a certain crowd because you know the chances are if you do certain things along that ride, you can make a tip. All right, and I've got videos on here explaining all this stuff, okay? But cherry picking is what you really need to do. Now, there are times when you get out here and there's not a whole lot of cherry picking to go on because the runs are just so-so right now. Just take the runs that are keeping you in your area. Don't let Uber all of a sudden flash a big run, a $20 or $30 run, but you got to take someone 40 miles, to make that money. Don't let Uber drag you away. All right. Let the other guys grab that, because if they grab that, then that means there's one less driver in your area. All right. There's a strategy to work in Uber and making money. Cherry picking is the backbone of it if you're doing it right. And I've tried to explain in quite a few videos before that if you get out here and just pay attention to who's in your area, know your area. That's the most important thing. Know the area that you want to work and focus on that area. Pick you out an area. I've said it before. Even if you got to drive 30 minutes a day to go to that area, to focus on that area, because you know there are high-end hotels, there's high-end restaurants, amusement parks. I've talked about that before for you guys who are near those kind of things. Those are the kind of areas you want to focus on because people are traveling. They're used to traveling in bigger cities or other cities. They're willing to leave a tip of some sort. And if you're doing the games that I've explained on here before, you can make some serious money doing Uber. But you cherry picking, they're not doing it. You can still do it. You just got to be smart on how you're doing it. All right. So the video I watched earlier of the guy that was trying to explain, I mean, he got in so many details about so much cents a mile, and he only looks at this. I don't pay attention to that. I'm paying attention. I've told you before, I don't pay attention to the fare. I'm paying attention to the location and who's coming out of that location. Do they travel and do they tip? That's the ones I focus on. And if I have to take a little $4 or $5 run around town right now to kill some time for a couple hours, I'll knock those little things out. I'm happy to do that. It's my community. I'll help out in the community for the people that don't have a lot. But when it's time to go make some money, it's showtime. I've talked about showtime before. It's so important. But cherry picking along the way is the way you actually make the showtime work. All right, because that's when you get those people in your back seat that are willing to give a tip, that have the money to give a tip. And if you're doing the schmoozing the right way on the ride, you're going to get your 5-star, you're going to get your tip, they're going to be happy, you're going to be happy, and you're going to go get you another one. I'm sitting right now in a parking lot that I sit in a lot. Big old shade tree up above me here. Not a whole lot of traffic goes on in this area, but what am I? I'm right now smack dab in the middle of my zone. All right? If something happens that way, I can get that way quick. If something happens that way, I can get that way quick. Right now, all the drivers, there's 7 of them in this area, counting me. One's out of here right this second, not, about 5 miles away. The other 4 are right down this, or the other 3 are right down this way, over this way. I'm sitting on this side of them. All right. I got a bunch of high end stuff down this way. All right. I'm between them and the high end right now. Odds are if the run pops up, I'm going to get it. I'm paying attention to that Riders app. I told you it's important. It's important. It's important. But cherry pick. If a run pops up right now to go that way and it's not paying a whole lot, I'm going to let one of these other guys go get it. If it's not, we're at the hotels that I want the run to be at, and it's over here at some other place, I'm going to let them have it. I'm not going to take that run because odds are when I pick up at that location, there's not a tip involved. All right. But if I pick up over in this location, there's tips involved. And odds are I'm going, no, that's in the membership. I can't talk about that right now. All right. Anyway, but yeah, cherry pick. I almost screwed up there. I almost let the cat out of the bag. All right. I can't talk about that on here because some might not like it. Anyway. Cherry pick. Don't be afraid of doing it. It's still out here. It's available for us. Just be smart about how you're doing it and pay attention to that Riders app. You can cherry pick your butt off all day long if you're just paying attention to who's out here, what day of the week it is, what time of the day it is. See, certain times of the day, I know I need to be watching out. Certain times of the day, I can let it go for a little while, a couple hours, and do other things. And that's kind of what I'm doing right now. But then in the evening and afternoon, it's showtime. It's party time. People are going out to eat. They're going out here. They're going out there. I'm rocking and rolling in the evenings until it's time to go charge my vehicle. I do the electric. Haven't mentioned that. I do an electric. If you're out there and you're doing gas, again, my heart bleeds for you guys. I feel for you. I feel for you. I feel for you. I do the electric rental. And I'm so happy. I am so happy. But anyway, cherry pick your butts off. Don't worry about it, but pay attention. And if you have to jump out and do a couple small runs in your area, all right, focus on that area. do some little runs in that area to keep you in that area. And don't worry about the stuff that's going to take you away from where the money is at. Focus on where the money's at. All right. And you'll do good in Uber. Anyway, I'm going to let you go with that, but cherry pick all you want, guys. Just pay attention. All right. Holler at me. Chat. Comment. Subscribe. Ring the bell. Do the thumbs up if you're still hanging on to this long. Memberships. Bye.